There are many analysts who are saying some bullish things about Doge. For instance, there's David Gokhshtein, the CEO of Gokhshtein Media, who basically predicted that Doge is going to the moon very soon. There are some more like him, and I think we need to look at what all of them said. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we go any further, please keep in mind that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment on your favorite cryptocurrency. Read our description for more info about it. Now, let's get started with today's video. David Gokhshtein has predicted Ethereum to go up to $14,000 in the near future. But more importantly, he predicted Doge to go up to $1 pretty soon. We all think the promotion from Elon Musk is the main reason for the growth of Dogecoin, but according to Gokhshtein, that's not the only factor. According to him, the retail-focused trading system, Robinhood, and the meme economy have really added to Dogecoin's growth as well. Talking about predictions, an experienced crypto panel predicted that they think by 2025, Doge would easily be at a whole dollar, but that's not it. They also think by the end of that year, Doge would hit a new all-time high of $1.21, and their prediction holds Doge as a total of $3.6 by 2030. Moving on, the host of Mad Money on CNBC, Jim Cramer seems to think that no one can stop the cryptocurrency growth, which is definitely true, by the way. Recently, Walmart announced that they're looking for a cryptocurrency expert, and that's when Jim Cramer stated his opinion on the matter. According to him, the demand for crypto will keep growing. He took into account that some big market players are against crypto, but that can't hinder the growth of crypto. In his words, no matter what side of the debate you're on, you can't ignore the overwhelming demand for cryptocurrency. To prove his point, we can look at a recent report from Chainalysis. According to the report, global crypto adoption has increased with a rate of 881% over the last year. So no matter what you think, we have to agree with Cramer here. Global demand for cryptocurrencies, including Doge, is definitely at an all-time high. As the demand increases, so does the price of cryptocurrencies. In fact, this high demand is what caused a 6% surge in Bitcoin's price recently. It has crossed the $47,000 line as well. Bitcoin hit a 24-hour high of a total of $47,359. If we look at the current year-to-date return for investors right now, it's a total of 62.2%. Investors were definitely frustrated after the crypto crash this year, but if we look at the bigger picture, it actually turned out pretty great. With Bitcoin, other top 20 cryptocurrencies obviously surged too. That includes our very own Dogecoin as well, which had pretty considerable growth in the last 24 hours. Talking about more predictions, analysts are also saying Bitcoin will hold this value. Currently, at a value of $45,000, Bitcoin is above its 200-day average, and analysts expect Bitcoin to remain above this average. Recently, there was a hack at Japan's Liquid Global Exchange and quite a huge amount was stolen. We still don't know the exact amount that was stolen, but the value taken in Bitcoin and many other altcoins were above $90 million. Now, after the hack, investors assumed the value of Bitcoin to go down, and with that, Doge investors were obviously worried too, considering the correlation between the two. However, luckily, Bitcoin has held its ground, and so has Dogecoin. In fact, Bitcoin's value has gone up since the hack. All top 10 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Dogecoin obviously, have actually had gains of more than 10% since then. All of the coins had a pretty significant growth, but Cardano definitely stole the show with a gain of 18%. So, looking at these gains, I think it's safe to say the hack is nothing to worry about for now. Moving on, Palantir, the data analytics software manufacturer, and Elon Musk's Tesla have started adding gold and Bitcoin to their treasury of reserves. And according to the CEO of Quill Intelligence, a lot of other companies are going to make decisions like these too. According to him, businesses don't have a lot of confidence in central bank monetary policies now. That's why companies are making the best possible decision when it comes to their reserves. And for that, they've chosen Bitcoin and gold. The fact that big companies are keeping cryptocurrencies as a reserve is definitely great news for crypto and Doge investors. Moving on to crypto adoption, we know it's growing day by day. And even today, we have a bunch of great news related to that. Well, we know Visa has been wanting to join the crypto industry for quite a while, and they took a huge step in that direction. The blockchain-based payments firm, Wire, has recently joined Visa's FinTech Fast Track program. With this partnership, Wire can now be easily integrated into Visa's technology. That means Wire can now allow instant payouts of cryptocurrencies to a user's bank account using Visa debit cards. Not only payouts, but with Wire's card issuance programs, users can now easily convert their Visa debit card balance into cryptocurrency. That is definitely great news for us Doge holders, considering that means crypto is getting more accessible. More accessibility means more people investing in it and the price going up. Moving forward, to increase the accessibility and demand of cryptocurrencies even more, the Crypto Rewards app, Fold has come up with an amazing plan. Fold has come up with an augmented reality scavenger hunt game for users, kind of like Pokémon Go. We all remember how excited everyone was when Pokémon Go first came out. Well, the aim is to get people excited about cryptocurrency using something like that. The augmented reality feature in Fold will enable users to explore their surroundings searching for Bitcoin and other amazing rewards. To make it even better, Fold has removed all its sign-up and activation fees that users previously had to pay for its Spin debit card. The debit card rewards up to 25% Bitcoin when users make a purchase. Now, Bitcoin isn't the only one cashing in on the Pokémon Go feature. Dogecoin has joined the club as well with a game called Million Doge Disco. This game also makes use of augmented reality, and not only is it basically a global dance party, but apparently it is also giving away 1 million Dogecoin. To explain the game, it's basically a Dogecoin version of Pokémon Go. Basically, you go all around the virtual world and you find virtual Dogecoins. The CEO of the app holds millions of Dogecoin, and through this game, he aims to give it away to users. Anyway, adding to the excitement, you meet and get connected with other people in the game. And hey, you get to dance with those people. I don't know about you, but this game definitely sounds like a lot of fun to me. And it is truly a great way to stock up on some Dogecoin. It says here that you can actually win some Doge while playing this game. So that's even more free promotion for Doge in mainstream media. Anyway, let's move on from games now. The bullish news for today absolutely doesn't end there. Jason Stewart, the mayor of the Cool Valley in Missouri, wants to give away all the residents free crypto. To be more precise, he's planning to give everyone up to $1,000 in Bitcoin. Basically, there are many experts who are expecting huge growth in the value of Bitcoin in the coming years. And that's why Stewart thinks crypto is something everyone in his town should know about. Basically, this will bring many more new holders into the market. So, that's pretty great. Moving on, I'm sure you all remember when Elon Musk talked about how crypto mining is so bad for the environment. Well, since then, making it better has been on the minds of many crypto mining companies. In fact, the crypto mining company, Argo Blockchain, has made its mining a lot more environment-friendly. When Elon Musk talked against it recently, people became really negative about it. But recent moves towards making mining more environmentally friendly have made people feel a whole lot better. In fact, the per-day revenue from Bitcoin mining has increased up to $35 million. There was a recent crackdown in China that took this value down. But luckily enough, the value got back up. That means people have started Bitcoin mining again. This has increased its hash rate, which has helped increase its price too. Now there are some very influential figures have started Bitcoin mining. One of them is the billionaire CEO of Twitter, Jack Dorsey. He uses a third-party service to keep the process secure for him. Basically, when famous billionaires like these talk about investing in crypto, people become more attracted to it. So, Dorsey's recent statement is not only great for Bitcoin, but all cryptocurrencies, including Doge. Now, let's look at the current price of Dogecoin for a second. Currently, it is priced at around 33 cents, and we've seen a pretty great growth in the last 48 hours. Personally, I feel the second leg of the bull run is starting right now. In any case, I'd love to know where you think we're headed from here. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye. Take care.